5 healthy foods to lose weight, best vegetables for weight loss. Different foods helps our body to grow, to heal, and to keep the immune system running properly. But what are the best fruits and vegetables for weight loss? It's really important to eat healthy. So let's look at 5 of the best fruits and vegetables for weight loss and good health to include in your diet. How to lose weight with vegetables. Vegetables are what overweight people need for effective weight loss. So let's look at 5 of the best vegetables for weight loss and good health to include in your diet. Before starting, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Let's start the countdown. Number 5. Broccoli. Most vegetables carry lots of fiber that help you to feel full and satisfied easily and sustain your activity over a longer period of time. But I highly recommend broccoli here due to its high nutritional value, rich in vitamin C and also contains protein B, vitamins, potassium, phosphorus and calcium, etc. You'll lose weight with broccoli when it stops you from eating more food, but you'll also gain health with its antioxidant properties and anti-carcinogenic powers. Hence, it is a must ingredient to add in your weight loss diet. Number 4. Celery. An 8-inch stalk of celery contains approximately 6 calories. But the mere act of digesting this stalk burns more than 6 calories, resulting in a calorie deficit. In other words, you'll use more calories for your energy reserves to break down celery, achieving your weight loss. Not only that, celery provides a good source of vitamin C, and fiber is one of the key ingredients to help you detox and lose weight more effectively. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach carries lots of fibers which help you to stay full longer and reduce the overall number of calories that you consume each day. Low calorie intake is essential for weight loss. You can also benefit from its rich content of vitamin K and calcium, which help you to prevent or treat osteoporosis and loss of bone density. Number 2. Calop. Calop is a good source of iodine, which stimulates a hormone produced by a thyroid gland that's responsible for boosting metabolism. So you'll burn more calories. If your weight gain is caused by thyroid disorder, then Calop is what you need for weight loss. However, too much iodine can have a negative effect on your thyroid. Therefore, moderate consumption is the key to losing weight with Calop. Number 1. Bean sprouts. These refer to sprouting from mung beans, lentils, soybeans, and chickpeas. Sprouting actually helps to return the starches, oils, and other nutrients in beans to vitamins, enzymes, and other forms of proteins, minerals, and sugars. A single helping of fresh sprouted mung beans contains about 3/4 of daily requirement of vitamin C. Sprouting increases the vitamin B present in beans and produces less intentional gas when consumed. Being low in calories, packed with vitamins, and cheap in prices, they're affordable vegetables that help you to lose weight. No doubt, these 5 vegetables can help you lose weight effectively. You should also include other varieties of plants-based foods to achieve a balance between weight loss and health. That's all for today. Please like my video, subscribe it, and share it with your friends.